Hey guys, you're welcome. New recipe alert. Yeah, something beautiful. I don't know what to name it, whether I'll call it cinnamon roll or chocolate roll. This is beautiful. Your children will thank you for this. You need baking powder, sugar, salt. You need eggs, you need butter, you need flour, you need also evaporated milk. Get a clean pan for me, pour in all your dry ingredients, mix together, and you add the butter for me. Wash your hand very well, and you go in and try your best to mix this thoroughly. Yeah, this is rub in method till you get a very light and crummy breadcrumb texture before you stop. Yeah, if today is your first time of seeing my channel, you're watching my video, you're welcome. Feel free to be a part by subscribing, liking my page, following my page. Just be a part. And don't forget to share to your friends and family because this is children friendly. Yeah, I bet you your children will thank you for this. Add the eggs. You continue mixing a little bit, you start adding your evaporated milk for me. Like I said, this is a new recipe. This is my first time trying it here. It's so amazing, it's so beautiful. I don't know the name to give this my sweet recipe, but I bet you will love it. Yeah. So after mixing this, I will set it aside. Just make sure you mix very well. Just make sure you don't over add your evaporated milk here because you don't need something watery here. Make sure everything mixed thoroughly and is together. Just exactly like a good dough, beautiful dough like this now is okay, it's good to go. Just allow it to rest while you mix the fillings you'll be using. I'll be making two type of fillings because I'm trying new things, just seeing what will come out of it. I have dark chocolate here. I wanted to use the chocolate chips, but I remembered I have chocolate in the house. So I added a little butter to it and I put in the microwave to melt out. Look at that, beautiful. The second filling, I'll be using a little bit of black charcoal and I'll be adding cinnamon, a little bit of sugar, and that is all. You can also pop in the microwave to help you mix together, or you just mix with your spoon. That's okay and beautiful. That is all I'll be using to make this here. Children will love the ones that are sugar, but as an adult you will enjoy the one that you use dark chocolate for. It is lovely. I know what I'm saying. You need to try this and you'll come back to thank me later. So I'll add a little bit of butter to make sure everything melts good inside the microwave. I'll also pop it in the microwave to see the beautiful outcome later. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed? Have you followed my page? Have you also shared to your friends and family? See the outcome, looking beautiful and okay. See the second one, that's okay. We'll have two beautiful fillings for this. Okay, a little by little, just spread out your dough a little at a time here, as you can mix. I want it in a small, just like those small gala will have in Nigeria. That's the way my mind is set out to make this here. I've not seen this before, but I just like, my brain is just giving me new recipe vibes, and indeed it came out awesome. I bet you will love it as an adult. This is a good snack if you want. So spread it out and you start cutting it. Just take your time, you will enjoy this. I'll start with the first filling, just the way you want, but I just don't want to make the one that I added sugar to be much because I don't want much sugar in it. But the funniest part, you will not even feel the sugar much here. But this is the chocolate one. The chocolate was more amazing because I don't love sugary things here. I prefer the chocolate one. If I'm making it again, I'll only make with chocolate because I don't like much sugar in my food here. I'm okay with this. But as your kids might love the one I added sugar, the cinnamon, butter, black charcoal on is also pretty nice. It's a good one, you can still try. So I'm gonna try the second one. See that, it's looking beautiful. Just for the kids, they loved it. And even you as an adult, if you try it, it's nice. It's giving a beautiful, lovely cinnamon taste vibes. But I just don't really like it because I know there is a little bit more sugar in it than the other one. The black chocolate is good for adults, and properly low sugar is also better for an adult. So so beautifully, but your children will enjoy this. I know what I'm saying. So right away, cut it out. This is pretty easy. If you don't know how to make anything, please try this. You will love it. Yeah, use your kitchen knife and cut it. If you don't have what I'm using, your kitchen knife will give you a good cut. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? So let's roll it out and keep doing. See the beautiful outcome. When you are in the last batch, trying to like spread out the last batch, please on your oven at least. You need to make sure your oven preheat at least for 15 to 20 minutes before you add. Yeah, that's a beautiful way to bake. Look at that. After just like 25 to 30 minutes, this is pretty ready. The whole low heat, very important. You can do 180, you can do 160, you can do 150. Some oven are hotter than the other, so be mindful and careful when setting your oven. This is pretty crunchy, beautiful. This is so amazing. I don't know how, but I just giving me that feeling of gala. But this one's sweet past gala. I know what I'm saying. Try this and come back to thank me later. Thank you for watching. Bye.